Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers is a diverse group of carbohydrate found exclusively in plants, including not starch polysaccharides such as cellulose, protein, and lignin. Unlike other type of carbohydrate, they are not absorbed in the small intestine to provide energy. Some fibers can be fermented in large intestine by gut bacteria producing short chain fatty acid and gases, especially methane, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. The portion of food material which is derived from cellular plants and polysaccharides, carbohydrate which are digested very poorly by human beings. Dietary fibers include mixture of plants, carbohydrate, example cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins, gums, inulin, and other non-carbohydrates are polyphenol, waxes, saponins, etc. Then go for the characteristics of dietary fibers. That is poorly digestible in human body. Polymers of carbohydrates of both oligosaccharides and polysaccharide is non-taste, bulking agent, insoluble in cold water. Then go for the sources of dietary fibers. Components of dietary fibers are found in different portions in food. Therefore, it is important to eat a variety of fiber containing foods. Dietary fibers found in various sources like whole grain cereals, cereal products like beans, lentils, fruit and vegetables, nuts and seeds, rice bran, wheat bran. Then go for the types of dietary fibers that can be classified into insoluble fiber as well as soluble fiber. In insoluble fiber, there are various benefits that is good for colon health, ECS, and prevents constipation. Then soluble fibers having benefits that is stay fuller longer, lower blood cholesterol level, improves blood sugar. Then go for the soluble dietary fiber. The fibers that are soluble in hot water such as pectin, non-digestible oligosaccharides such as inulin. Soluble fiber attracts water that will be turned into gel during digestion, thus slowing digestion, lowers the cholesterol level and imparts prevention of heart diseases and delay glucose absorption. The source of fibers are barley, oat, beans and lentils. Insoluble dietary fiber. The fibers are not soluble in water like cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, waxes and some non-carbohydrate compounds. Insoluble fibers appears to spread the passage of food through stomach and intestine. Insoluble fibers add bulk to the stool, reducing the incidence of constipation. The sources of fibers are wheat bran, fruit, vegetables and whole grain. Then go for the benefits of dietary fibers. That will be digestive to help, maintains blood pressure, lowers cholesterol level, risk of colon cancer, control blood sugar level, weight loss and management, provide less energy, skin health. Then go for the limitation of dietary fibers. A high fiber diet can cause problems if fluid intake is not sufficient or if fibers intake is increased too rapidly. High fiber diets also have potential to affect vitamin and mineral level and calorie intake. Consuming fiber without consuming enough fluid can cause constipation. Fiber increases the need for water because it holds fluid in the gastrointestinal tract. The more fiber there is in the diet, the more water is needed. When too little fluid is consumed, the stool becomes hard and difficult to eliminate. Intestinal blockage can occur in severe cases when fiber intake is excessive and fluid intake is low. To avoid this problem, the fluid content of the diet should be increased when fiber consumption increases. Even when there is a plenty of fluid, a sudden increase in fiber intake can cause abdominal discomfort, gas and diarrhea due to the bacteria breakdown of fiber. To avoid these problems, fiber intake should be increased gradually. In some people, a diet high fiber can increase the risk of vitamin and mineral deficiencies. This occurs in two reasons. The increase in volume of intestinal contents that occurs with a high fiber diet may prevent enzymes from coming contact with the food. If a food cannot be broken down, the vitamins and minerals from that food cannot be absorbed. The second reason is liver may bind some minerals, preventing their absorption. For instance, wheat bran fiber binds zinc, calcium, magnesium and iron, reducing their absorption. High fiber diets are of concern in children because they have small stomach and high nutrient needs. Children consuming a diet that is very high in fiber may feel full before they have met all their energy and nutrients need.